Welcome to my channel. It's your girl Whit, back with another makeup tutorial. So I went off camera and I started her brows already. And then now I'm just placing a natural my favorite brown eyeshadow. What was I gonna say? Yes, so today is my client's birthday. She found me on TikTok, you guys, on TikTok. So you guys need to be watching me, hitting me up on TikTok. So I'm gonna leave my TikTok name down below in the description box. So yeah, she found me on TikTok and she liked my makeup and now she's here. So like I said, I did her brows off camera, but now I'm going back into them and I'm concealing. And one thing I noticed, you guys, I went to Ulta and I bought some new pencil because I was out. And you guys, I brought the wrong one. I'm so sorry. I don't know what happened, but when you wake up in the morning, you get that that weird, like that fake sickness, that fake cold. Yeah, that's what I'm in that phase right now. But I went to Ulta and I bought the wrong brow pencil and I'm so mad because I always get the precision pencil and I ended up getting the other one and oh my gosh, I'm so mad because I don't like the angle of that pencil. I don't like the way it I don't like it. So I definitely need to go get a new one. It was giving me a hard time. I did not like it at all. So here I am doing her eyeliner and then I go in with some lashes. I know her lashes, like on her left, the one she's blinking the most in, it looks kind of crooked. I'm gonna go in and fix that. Yeah, so it was annoying me and I'm gonna fix it later down in the video, and even after, once I'm completely done with her face, I go in and fix the lashes. But here I am going in with Macau from NARS and Marquise, and I mixed those two. I didn't really mix them together. I kind of placed the Macau first, which I'm doing right now, and then I go in and I apply Marquise at the bottom. And I'm taking my Instapot brush and I am just tapping that into her skin. Yes, so here I am just tapping that foundation into her skin. Another thing is I think I need to enforce not being on the phone while I'm doing makeup, because it's been time where I hit her phone on accident. So a couple of my clients do that, but they end up getting off the phone. But I think I need to make it mandatory where it's like you can't be on the phone at all, because I don't like that, especially when I'm doing the makeup and where my hand has to be placed there on the phone. So I'm definitely going to enforce that in my reminder text to my clients. But here I am. I went in with Born This Way and Caramel, and I'm just blending that concealer out with my setting brush. And then now I'm going in with Pure Beige and Milani, and I'm using that to highlight. You guys, I like these lashes that I bought from Amazon. But I don't know. I think I'm going to go back to my vendor and get my own lashes because I it's like I like them, but then it's like I don't really like them sometimes. So I'm definitely gonna go back to my vendor and get some lashes. And here I am blending that out. Now I'm going in with Juvia's Place contour stick, and I believe it's either Congo or is it Congo or Zamnebia or something like that. I don't know, you guys. I haven't used that in a long time, but here I am going with Laura Mercier to set the concealer since I ran out of No Shine from AC Cosmetics, you guys. My mind is all over the place. I still haven't gotten a chance to order. Now I'm going in with Black Radiance contour palette, and I'm going in with the light to medium, and I use that to contour her nose. And then now I'm going in with Laura Mercier to set that. I'm sorry if I'm in the way, you guys. And now here I am going in with Black Radiance in the medium to dark. And I'm using that to contour. And here I am making sure that I set underneath her contour. Now I'm going in with blush. You see how it just... And then she got something white underneath her. I don't know what that is, you guys. Now I'm going in with Trendsetter from Morphe, and I'm lining up her lips. Also going in with some nude lipstick and a lip gloss. You guys already know the routine. And here I am going in with C8 from MAC Studio Finish foundation powder. And I'm pressing that into her skin where I applied the setting powder. Now I'm going in with a black pencil, and I am using that to place underneath her eyes. She said she was about to cry, you guys. That's why she's blinking so much. Yes, baby girl is feeling herself. Right. Yes. Period. Now I'm setting her skin with Morphe setting spray. Then I'm going in with some highlights. And then obviously I go back in and do a little bit of blush. And just making some corrections. But you guys, this completes the end of my video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. We're on a road to 500 subscribers by the end of April, hopefully, because I'm trying to push these videos out. Thank you guys for everything. I love you guys. If you're new to my channel, welcome to the channel, baby girl. Baby girl, welcome to the channel. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.